Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to generate stairs for your Blender 4.1 3D modeling and 3D animation software. So everything will start from beginning. This is Blender 4.1.1. So I'm going to click the empty area. First, I'm going to just press A and press delete to delete everything, clear everything. And just look at the grids on Blender. For each of the grids, it is equivalent to 1 meter times 1 meter. So this is a 1 meter square. So to create a stair, first just add a mesh, add a cube like this. Then, first step, just click move and click X. We are going to move the pivot to the bottom. To move the pivot to the bottom, first you just need to click Ctrl full stop. Then drag it down like this. Make sure you just drag it to the bottom. Alright, next, press Ctrl full stop again. And then now you can see the Z, just click and press 0 and press enter. Just make sure everything at the bottom, the pivot point is at the bottom. Next, now you can see this is 2 meters, this is 2 meters. So we are going to just press S to make it bigger. It depends on how tall your building is. Let's say this is the ground floor and how tall is the first floor. So usually it is about 3 meters. So you can just press S like this. Usually it is about 3 meters. It can be 4 meters, it can be 5 meters. It depends. So now by standards, I'm going to use 3 meters. Alright, then next, click and then click here, go to the edit mode. Then click the select edge so that you can select this edge. And press Ctrl B, drag it in that way. Then next, just have a look. This is 1 meter, so for each of the single steps, you should just make it small. So again, it's Ctrl Z, then press Ctrl B, drag it. Better just drag it to the bottom to maximize it. Then click the bevel, the width, not here, sorry. Ctrl B, the segment, just make it more like this. It is about 40. Then it should be okay. Each of the steps, it should not be too tall. Alright, so maybe you can just put 60, depends. Next, just click the custom, then the preset, change it to steps. Right. So now you can see it already become the steps, like the stair. Then next, you can just back to the object mode. And next step is you can click scale to adjust the length. You can adjust the width of the stair. At the same time, you still can adjust the height if you want. Right, Ctrl Z. Or you also can just make it more inclined like this. It is easier for people to walk on that if you want to make this stair an easy stair. And now I just make it more than 2 meters to make sure your 3D avatar can walk on it. Next, you may want to set some of the fence and holders at here. It is really easy. So first, just rename this as stair. Then click and copy, Ctrl C and Ctrl V to copy another set. fence. Right, go to the fence and we are going to hide the stair. We are going to use the stair to generate the fence. So go to the edit mode. Now just focus on the fence here. Then click Y, click the vertex. Then we just want to have these points. So you can just switch to select Tezo like this. Then I'm going to just go in between this, delete the vertices. The rest also do the same. Alright. So we just want to left the end. The rest we can just delete it, sorry. Just switch back to select box. We just want the two ends of the vertex. The rest you can just delete it. Right. Now you just left this 1, 2, 3, 4 points. You can just delete this one and here delete. So these two, select two of them. You can see two vertex, right click, then new edge face from vertices, then subdivide it. But before that, you can just use a loop cut here. Then just put a lot of the vertex. This is a loop cut. Then once done already, just select all of this. Go back to the select tool. Select all of this and press delete. And just delete only edges and faces. We just left this. Alright. Once it only left this, we are going to make it fence. So to make it fence, first we are going to press E to extrude. And press Y to make sure it go to the Y axis. Like this. Then just select all of this and press E to extrude and press G to just make sure it extrude in that way. Now you can just back to the original viewport shading this way. Then you can just turn on your stair and you can just move it down, because this is just the handle, this is just the pillows. So next, what you can do is just back to the object mode here. For all of this, you can click and go to the modifier, add a modifier, just name it as solidified. Then now solidified, click here, then you can apply it. Now you have all of these pillows. Then next, you may just click Y to just look at the pivot point. Where is it? Where's the pivot point? You can move it to make sure it is at the center. You click X, then press Ctrl full stop, click move to make sure the pivot of the pillows are at the center. Then now press Ctrl full stop again. Just have a look. Now you may want to move it adjust the location. It can be just something like this. Right. Then next, we are going to design a holder. To design a holder, you already have the fence pillar. Then we are going to copy the pillar, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Then name this as holder. Right. So the rest, just hide it. We left the holder. Click Y, go to the edit mode. Then next, click the wireframe, just delete everything. Vertices, delete all the vertices. Here, delete as well. This one, delete vertices. And now only left for here, we delete to just left one. And here, delete it. Then select all of this, right click, new edge face from the vertices. New edge. Sorry. We only want to left one. So just delete it. Delete the vertices. We only left a pair. Delete. So now it is only left 2 points, is 1 and 2. Right click, new edge face from vertices, and turn on the shading. Press E to extrude, and press Y to make sure it only extrude to that side. And then next, click here so that you only choose the face. Click the face and press E to extrude. Now next, the rest you turn it on. You already have the holder. So next, what you need to do is move this. Sorry. You may press A to select all of this. Just move it to a suitable position. Make sure it is above the pillow. So here you can see it is at the best position. Done. Once done already, you can just back to the object mode. So this is the pillar right. Right pillar. Or you can just name this as pillar right. This one, holder right. So these two, we are going to select all of this, then press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, move it to the left hand side. To make sure both sides also have the holders and the fence. Then name this properly. The holder left. This one, pillar left. Done. So now you already have the have the stair. And then for this part, it is going to just mount on the second floor, or you can just delete this pillar. It is okay to delete it. Right. So this is going to connect on the second floor automatically, so it is going to mount and root on the second floor, another floor. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to generate a stair in your Blender 4.1 3D modeling and 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!